welcome to Cafe de Lore's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I make my short ribs beef with pappardelle pasta. It's an Italian dish. These are all the ingredients that I prepared. First, our short ribs, our sun-dried tomatoes, sliced mushrooms, spinach, our pappardelle, chicken bouillon. We're gonna use 1 cup of beef broth. We're going to use shaved Parmesan cheese, chopped garlic, thyme, tomato paste, smashed garlic with skin, heavy whipping cream, salt, and pepper to taste. And let's start it. Okay, so first we're going to sear the short ribs. So we're going to turn on our stove to high heat. So now we're gonna start putting our olive oil. So now we're gonna start putting our short ribs. Oh, actually, I forgot to tell you guys, they were already marinated with salt and pepper and actually some olive oil this morning. So just to let you know, guys. So now in this same pan, we are just like going to reduce some cooking oil, and then we're going to proceed into our next process. All the way down our temperature, like our stove. So the same pan, we are turned down to medium heat, so we could start cooking our mashed garlic.
Garlic.
And next, we're gonna put our chopped mushrooms. We're also gonna add our thyme, our tomato paste, so now we're gonna add our beef broth. So now we're just gonna put back our short ribs. Smells so good though. So now I put all the short ribs in the pan. So now what we're gonna do next is just gonna pop in our oven for about 1 hour, just to make sure that our short ribs it gets tender. All right, they are ready to pop in the oven. So I'm actually going to cover in aluminum foil so that the mushrooms, they won't get burnt. Now it's ready to pop in the oven. So our oven was been preheated for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna pop in our short ribs now. There you go. And let's time it for 60 minutes. All right. Alright, so now we're gonna start making our pappardelle pasta, making our sauce. Let's turn on our stove to high heat. Alright, we're gonna start putting our olive oil. Now we're gonna cut garlic. So next, we're gonna add our sun-dried tomatoes. We're actually gonna add our chicken bouillon. So next, we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream. Add some black pepper. Salt. So next, what we're gonna add is our shaved Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Let me just try it first. Let's turn down our stove all the way down. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna add is our last spinach. This is just gonna be quick. We don't want our spinach to get so soft. Do you see how it's so creamy? So now we're gonna add our pappardelle pasta. Let's just turn off our stove now, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer it first in the tray. So now let's just check it out how it goes. Oh, that's very yummy, tender. Here we go. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.